Yeah, let us in, it's cold. Let us in, it's cold. Let me in, let me in. Let me in. Hey. Hey. What are you doing?
I don't know.
Make it.
All right.
Make it.
I also have a cold shirt. Spicy.
Spicy! It smells like it's burning, like it really does smell like it's burning.
Not my responsibility.
I know, it's such an
Spaghetti.
interesting.
Spaghetti.
Where? Yes! Yes!
You know what I mean? I have the cherry filter.
Yes.
The
Yeah.
crown filter. I will explain it more if you want.
Give them back, Kathy! Oh my god, Spencer, it works. Oh, thank you.
You should get a yellow beanie and then vape.
Don't tell him to
I didn't say
vape.
that.
And vape?
Yes.
Those are too expensive.
Vape is too expensive.
They're too, I don't.
What the hell is that?
They're old now. They're old now.
And I don't like camel.
Potter. It reflects as much blue light as the harmful blue light. You know?
Yeah, I do.
Filter.
Wait. What's happening to me?
I broke. Spencer. Spencer.
You're the queen of lemons.
Spencer, stop.
They're recording them the whole time.
Why'd she make it that face? Put on her nose. Yes. Boop. In the name of the Father and the Son. You could just do it yourself, Kathy. There you go.
Hold me.
Oh no.
Hold me.
Oh my god, it's
Someone hold it. Someone hold it.
Ah! What is going on?
Hopefully we don't miss the new year this time.
I know, right? Missed
Yeah.
it.
We're
Missed
like,
it last.
oh, it's 2018 already, okay. It's been for like 3 minutes.
This place is perfect.
So I can still see myself.
Come on, man.
Oh, it's a big window.
Wait, I think I have another light.
Another one. Oh, is it that one from New Year's last year and it was too big?
Yes.
And it was too bright.
Wait, you guys.
No, there's nothing in that fridge, is there?
Yeah, there's.
Stop.
Hold it! Hold that!
Props.
Girl!
Props.
These. Bruh.
Whoa!
Ben has been practicing this whole time.
Wait, gotta flex to Johnny Walker.
Which one is that one?
Oh, you're right.
Better though.
Which one is more expensive, Spencer?
Spencer, expensive.
I should know, dude. That one.
It has to be Johnny Walker because Johnny Walker. You sound like Spotify Premium.
Sorry.
I really like it. So.
Yes!
Who else wants one? Wait, I want one like this.
Alright.
Yeah.
Oh, she changed it up a little bit. Go for pasta.
That's eyelashes, man. Punch your toes. Yes.
Shannon needs more pictures of her.
I know, she
Just
looks
need to say
great.
that.
She looks great. Get in the fridge, Shannon.
Say that.
I want you. Get in the fridge.
Get in the fridge, Shannon. Aw, there's shelves in there. That's not fun.
Existent oven.
Can you just no. Just sit your butt on that thing. Yeah, on that shelf at the
What?
She gonna break it, man. No, the other one, Shannon. Oh.
She fell out the fridge.
You can't? Oh, that's good.
that,
That's good.
like that, like that.
That's better, yeah.
Are there knives in there?
You gonna
Oh,
fall
I
off?
hope I got that. I
She's
hope
gonna
I got
fall
that.
off.
Okay, I got that. I got
Picture
that.
in the fridge.
Why was that a really good picture? Like I just said it as a joke. I said it as a joke.
Where are you sitting? Okay, I don't care about my feet.
Shit, I just want
want a
pictures here.
profile picture.
And then
Look
in
at the
there.
fridge.
That's Dusty. She didn't
What
know
do I
that's
do?
Dusty.
Sitting
My
so
butt
weird.
is dusty.
Sit kind of like on that corner, yeah.
Dude,
and then,
this
like,
magnet
put
is so
this
strong.
leg
I know. It's
on
just
the
like a
diagonal,
chunk of
and then
nothing.
have that, like, yeah,
Wow.
Steal it.
Ow. What's that?
That was a magnet.
That actually scared me.
Tilt your head back.
Back.
Yeah. So like one more.
Back.
Backwards.
Why are there chocolates?
Chocolates.
What are they selling?
You guys are in the picture.
Cute. I learned physics. I learned about reflecting light. We're not in the picture.
Pee before
Do you want pictures on the window?
I need a drink in my hand.
On the toilet.
Okay.
Toilet. In the shower.
Here, I'll model this.
She
this
said
new
okay
house.
so quick. Like, yes, New Year's.
I dropped it.
Turn up the volume.
5, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy
Wait, you guys, everyone put that drink right here.
Okay. It's all the same drink, Kathy. I don't like it. Yuck! Here's the offense. Shannon did this to me.
that was perfect timing.
And then she like fires away, like right there.
I feel like I still won. I did.
Wow, I made it to third place.
Oh, no signal. As soon as I turned on my phone. Do you think that has something to do with it?
Wow.
Oh. Let's try and watch a show, like, with this glitch happening. It backfired. Did you guys see that? Okay, you see it in the video. It's cold. My face is cold. We need to start carrying blankets around, you guys. Oh, stop screaming. It's not that bad.
It's really not, especially if you're one Catherine.
Caitlin's got ripped pants.
Oh my god.
I did too.
Most of my jeans are not here, okay?
When I ripped my pants.
Bye.
See you guys later.
Thanks for the car.
Safe trip and whatever.
Bye. I'm sorry.
I want some octagon glass.
Oh my god, that'd be cool.
How does that look?
Whoa.
That's a hexagon.
Who she look like? You look like Motherboard. From Cyber Chase.
I remember that.
Don't tell me that you're trying to hack the Motherboard again every time. Cosmic
I
world.
like them a lot.
Freaky places that we've seen. We got the power. One,
So
two,
take a
three,
shower.
4. Living in a cyber chase. We'll meet him face to face. We'll
Work
stick
together
all the time. Adventures in cyberspace. The chase is on. Just wait and see. YBER chase.
You guys just know that.